the reason why we do these trail cleanups is because, you know, it's only like 1% of people who are actually causing all these problems and tearing trails up. So we're trying to be a different 1%. Because probably only 1% of people are actually out here, like, trying to actually clean the area up, you know. So we're trying to be that 1% and do something good and make a difference, because we keep getting trails closed. Several trails I've been on have already been closed now, and it sucks. So we're out here, we're cleaning up Cooper's Creek, and, you know, hopefully this gets seen, and it's like, you know, hey, the forestry service can be like, well, we got people actually out here doing good and helping keep this stuff maintained. Let's not close every single trail in the world, because all that's doing is condensing more and more people on the same trails, and it's making trails more and more crowded, and it's making it harder to go off-roading and harder to keep stuff clean, harder to keep it maintained, because there's less options and there's more people moving to Georgia. Another problem we're having here. So yeah, and hopefully this helps. We'll see.
Stop right here and disperse. So if you want to pull in those two different areas, I'll try to pull up a little bit. You take one more vehicle up here by me.
All right, try to get a view of everybody here. Brad's here with the blue Jeep. Here. I recognize that logo, and I don't know what it is. All right, we got my Jeep here. Got another blue Jeep I don't know. We got Loki, formerly known as Jezebel. This one here, I don't know it. Got a Lexus I don't know. Got a Nissan I don't know. Green Rubicon here. I know that one. Lone Wolf 24/7. I know that one. Let's see. I don't know this one yet. Don't know this one yet. Let's see. Silver Dollars. Know that one. Crawdaddy. I don't know that one yet. And Black Rubicon. So I'm following what I believe is a hiking trail. Looks like there's any trash up here. Pick up. Not seeing much, so we'll go a little bit, then I'll turn around and go back. Well, the first spot I checked was clean. That's a good thing. People are picking up after themselves, at least. Head back down here and find another spot to clean up. Got a little snow falling. See if I can get it on this black Jeep. Yeah, you see it coming down there. Ain't much. It ain't gonna be cold enough to stick, but oh well. This is some windows down point of view while it's cold and windy. I mean, so far what I'm amazed with is we haven't been finding any trash, and I'm happy with that. That's a good thing. Let's keep it up. I like that the past couple trail cleanups we've done, trails haven't been dirty. I mean, guys, the roads where I live at are dirtier than these trails, and they're public roads. You know, I don't think people in Jeeps are out messing those trails up, or the roads up where I live at. So people are doing good. Every trail cleanup I've been on so far has been fairly clean, but I've heard stories of Brad's been doing a lot more than I have, and he says he's found several of them he's done where they were in really bad shape. So far so good. Back towards the Loniga to pick up next year.
That are headed back, feel free to stop in and see the meanest lady in North Georgia.
I got that on video.
Got an arm wrestler to get her turn pump on.
quickly pulled over. We got Silver Dollar there. Got Jeepin Bubba here. We got the S3 Jeep here. One behind me is called Rocky Top. We had to pull off, refuel. Alright guys, this is the trail cleanup, Cooper's Creek, with Jeepin Bubba and the Black Bear Off-Road crew. We're trying to do a good thing here. We're trying to make a difference, make a positive impact, and offset, you know, some of the damage that honestly we believe is caused by more locals. But hey, you know, we're out here, we're using God's country out here, we're enjoying the land. Let's we'll do our part and help keep it clean. So that's why we're doing this, and the reason why we're sharing it is to get the word out, and hopefully maybe we'll get some other people to start doing it too. So Cooper's Creek trail cleanup, very good result. The trail was not very dirty. We hit a lot of campsites, we drove down trails, and it was relatively clean. I mean, I picked up a little bit in my trash bag. We threw all of our trash in Brad's trailer, and then hauled it off. So good deed being done today. It's part of, jeeping, part of enjoying the outdoors is also taking care of it and being responsible. That's what we're doing. You've been watching 1870 Off-Road with a Jeep Speed Jeepin'. This time the Jeep was cleaning. We'll go with that. Jeep Speed cleaning in this episode, I guess. All right, 1870 Off-Road. You have been watching 1870 Off-Road.